counter roll or anti-roll. Here's some examples. Counter roll is when the staff's spinning direction is opposite to its rolling direction. So if the staff is rolling down my arm from my hand to my shoulder and it's spinning this direction, that's with roll. But if the staff is rolling down my arm and it's spinning in the opposite direction, that's counter roll or anti-roll. With roll, counter roll. Devil's roll is a form of counter roll. This is not a devil's roll. That involves a helix with a counter roll section over the head back and then a helix again. To get a proper devil's roll, you need to go all the way out and back over again. Here's some examples.